Hey everyone, this is Dave Cooper and we are in Charleston, Rhode Island today, and behind me is a house that we just put on the foundation less than 48 hours ago. Sheetrock's in, trim's in, counters are in, some of the siding's already on this house. Now, what's so great about that? Across the street here, they've probably been framing this for just a week. They spent most of the morning shoveling all this beautiful snow out of the house because they're just now putting the sheathing on the roof. So again, this is a week's worth of work for an on-site builder. This is 48 hours worth of work for an off-site construction modular home builder. These folks are going to move in their home very soon. These folks can't even envision what it's going to look like yet. So that's the value of modular, right? Inside my house has been completely dry since day one. Not even close to dry. The lumber's all wet. They got to dry it out. So that's the difference. Off-site construction, modular homes, that is the future. So if you're going to consider building, you definitely want to consider modular. You definitely want to go to our website, ctvalleyhomes.com. Download the 25 questions to ask a builder. And as always, ask us those same questions. I'm Dave Cooper, and we'll see you next time.